Pack number 2. Back again. This is the second one. Same side. We got a heat energy. What the hell is a heat energy? Is that the same as a fire energy? I haven't bought Pokemon since I was like in the 90s. I've been playing the games though. I just haven't bought like Pokemon cards. Ooh, an Ursaring. An old PC. That's familiar. It doesn't even say what it is. You're supposed to know. Wigglytuff. Another one of these weird cards where the picture isn't really holographic, but the rest of the card is. See that? Kind of annoying, but still cool. Starling. What else we got here? We got Purloin. 70 HP. Dig Claws. 10. Fake Out. Flip a coin. That's pretty sick, bro. Another Marini. Meltan. And Carablast. That one was not that eventful. I don't like that one. That one sucked.